Thank you for taking time to practice taking care of yourself today. This is a mindfulness meditation where we will tap into observing the breath. When we can observe our breath, it's a powerful and comforting way to bring us back into the present moment. Should we feel a little tense, rattled, or a little anxious? So let's begin. Find yourself a place where you can sit or lie down. You can close your eyes if you wish, but you don't have to. So if you're sitting, just keep your gaze low, maybe down on the ground near your feet, and perhaps half close your eyes. Let your palms rest face down on your heart center in the middle of your chest. And guide your attention to the space underneath your hands, in the very center of your chest. Feeling the heat and vibration of your body. Let your attention notice the gentle rising of the chest and perhaps the abdomen on your inhale. And the softening, falling away of your exhale when it comes. Take a slow, full inhale through your nose. And slowly sigh this breath out through your mouth, making any noise or sound that wants to come. Do this one more time. Let your breath return back to its natural pace, still feeling the connection of your hands upon your chest. If you feel called to, you can move your hands down onto your abdomen. Observe the rising of your inhale, the softening and falling away of your exhale. Lightly gluing your attention onto this observing of the breath. And if your mind gets distracted, which it probably will because it's the nature of the mind, imagine putting your arm around a trusted friend and guiding them back. Do this with yourself for your breath. To hold your attention, you may like to repeat the mantra, I know that I am breathing in. I know that I am breathing out. I know that I am breathing in. I know that I am breathing out. Just repeat this mentally yourself. If the mind wanders again, you bring it back in a friendly fashion to the breath. Last 30 seconds now of mindfully observing your inhale and exhale. Know that you are breathing in. Know that you are breathing out. And now relax your attention. Just know that you can let your mind be free for a few moments. Relax your hands down into your lap or rest them on your thighs. And when you're ready to, you may open your eyes and bring yourself gently back into the room. Thank you for making time for yourself.